for 3 days and 2 nights in Manila, sponsored by First Mark Homes. Round trip ticket, Riyadh, Manila, Riyadh, sponsored by Philippine Airlines. And cash prize of 200,000 pesos. Gift bags from Saudi German Health and 1-year free supply of Aljo perfume. Awarded by Mr. Yasserlin Tuan, CEO and Country Director of Mr. Grand Philippines KSA. Mr. Aaron Joe Reyes, Mr. Ricky Paking of Philippine Airlines, and Ms. Susan Sumayo of Kuya Roms Kamaya.
Partner? Announcing our Mr.